The Mississippi River is one of the most important places in our country for birds. There are amazing birds that live along and travel the Mississippi River. Our nation's bird, the bald eagle, the fastest bird on earth, the peregrine falcon, great blue herons, ducks, geese, and beautiful songbirds like the robin and the warbler live and travel along the Mississippi River. The bald eagle, a species once on the endangered list, has been making a remarkable comeback. Why is the eagle doing so well? If we could peek into an eagle's nest, what would we see? How does the eagle make a living on the Mississippi River? And why is the river such a great home for so many species of birds?